Hey, I'm Darlene, and I'm going to show you how to process a credit card using the Point Smart Terminal. Let's get started. I'm going to start on the Point Smart Terminal home screen. I have two ways that I can add a cost for my customer. I can select the Register app and choose an item or multiple items from my catalog, or I can select the Terminal app and manually enter the cost. I'm going to go with the Terminal app for this example. Select Terminal. Enter $19.99 or whatever the cost of your item is, and then select Charge. Your customer will be prompted to insert, swipe, or tap their credit card on the screen that is facing them. If you select the Credit dropdown, you'll see other ways for your customer to pay. I'm going to stick with credit for this transaction. If you select Summary on the screen that's facing you, you'll see a summary of the items on the transaction. You can enter a note for the transaction if necessary by selecting Notes. You have an option to manually enter the customer's credit card here, but we're going to have them insert their card. Once your customer uses their credit card, they'll be prompted to provide their signature, and then they'll be asked to choose how they would like to receive the receipt. There'll be 4 options for the receipt: no receipt, paper receipt, email, or send text. You'll want to make sure that you have receipt paper loaded in the Point Smart Terminal before you get to this step. And that's it. You've processed a credit card transaction. I'm Darlene. Happy selling!